Guess the Jamaican terms. What country do you come from, bro?
Canada.
Canada. Canadian. North American. You know any Jamaican terms?
I know a few.
All right, cool. I'm gonna give you 2 Jamaican terms, yeah? Sure. And I want you to translate it what it would be in English, all right? Frownsy.
Say again?
Frownsy.
Phronsie.
Frownsy.
Frownsy, like a frown?
Frownsy.
Use it in a sentence. Language of
Now,
origin.
all right. Now you there over there, so in Frownsy.
In Frownsy.
Me just walk past that you there and in Frownsy.
You just walked past the dude there. I'm a Frownsy. I actually don't even know. No clue. Like Frownsy, bro. I don't know. No, I don't know. No clue.
Pum pum.
Yeah, bro. Me and nyam that.
Come back, so. We're not going with that one there. What you mean by nyam? We nyam that. What you mean by that? Man, you nyam pum pum?
See?
Have a nice day. Execute yourself, please, sir. Thank you. We nyam pum pum.